everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel Ritu Garg Maths Classes. Today we are going to do a very interesting topic, hyperbolic functions. All of you have been dealing with trigonometric functions since your class 10th. Trigonometry आप 10th class से कर रहे हो, pure trigonometric functions you started with 11th class. And आपने अब higher classes में देखा है कि कई बारी cos की जगह cosh लिखा होता है, COSH, and in place of sin it's written shine, SINH. So actually what are these functions? ये क्या चीज़ है? Let's see. First of all, I'll have to go back to the basic roots for the trigonometric functions, and only then we can come to hyperbolic functions. When we take the case of the trigonometric functions, we have understood them on the basis of a unit circle. Unit circle definition, or you can say simply equation, is x square plus y square is equal to 1, because this circle has its center on origin and radius as 1 unit. ये आप सबने already किया हुआ है. If you consider any point on this whole circle, that can be taken as x is equal to cos t and y is equal to sin t, because as soon as you put the values, you get cos square t plus sin square t is equal to 1, which is true. So this is a general point, cos t comma sin t, which moves on the whole circle, this unit circle. अब आपको ये यूनिट सर्कल से निकल के यूनिट हाइपरबोला पे मूव करना है. दैट्स वाई दीज फंक्शंस आर नोन एज हाइपरबोलिक फंक्शंस. व्हाट इज हाइपरबोला? इफ़ यू रिमेंबर, यू हैव डन कोनिक सेक्शंस. कोनिक सेक्शंस का जो पहला टॉपिक आता है वो आता है सर्कल्स, और फिर टॉपिक्स आते हैं पैराबोला, एलिप्स, बट द लास्ट टॉपिक इज हाइपरबोला. So we are going to connect now from circle to hyperbola. What happens when we say it is a unit hyperbola? It means this distance is 1 unit, or you can say this distance is also 1 unit, and these two lines are simply representing our standard equations y is equal to x and y is equal to minus x. The standard equation for a unit hyperbola is x square minus y square is equal to 1. यहाँ थी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर, ये सर्कल के लिए थी. आपके पास हाइपरबोला की इक्वेशन होती है एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1. सो हाउ टू टेक एनी पॉइंट ऑन दिस हाइपरबोला? ये जो कर्व्ड बॉडी दिख रही है आपको, इसके ऊपर हम कौन सा पॉइंट लें कि वो उसको सेटिस्फाई कर जाए? सो दैट इज कॉस हाइपरबोलिक एंड साइन हाइपरबोलिक. Some of the teachers pronounce it as cos t, sin t, and many pronunciations actually follow, but actually it is cos hyperbolic and sin hyperbolic. This h stands for hyperbolic, and t या theta या x वो आपका variable है, that depends. Let's see what is cos hyperbolic and what is sin hyperbolic, and how do they satisfy this equation. Let's take their definitions. Cos hyperbolic, in case of x, I will be dealing it so that you can easily understand it. In many of the books, it is given in the form of theta or t. The variable can be anything. So I am taking the general variable x. Cos x, that is cos hyperbolic x. Its value is e raised to power x plus e raised to power minus x divided by 2. And sin hyperbolic is given as e raised to power x, same. अब ये प्लस की जगह आपने माइनस कर देना है. सो इट इज द डिफरेंस ऑफ दीज टू. हेयर इट इज द सम ऑफ ई रेज टू पावर एक्स एंड ई रेज टू पावर माइनस एक्स डिवाइडेड बाय 2. यू कैन से सिंपली द एवरेज, द मीन, एंड हेयर इट इज द डिफरेंस. सो व्हेन यू पुट डाउन द वैल्यूज ऑफ दिस एंड दिस इन द गिवन इक्वेशन एंड डू द स्क्वायरिंग एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन, आप सॉल्व करोगे, यू विल गेट द वैल्यू एज 1. इट विल टोटली सेटिस्फाई इट. When you take the LCMs, it reduces to 1. But actually how do we further use it? इसका basic और further use क्या होता है? If I add these two equations, LHS will be added into LHS and RHS will be added into RHS. When you add RHS, 2 is the common LCM. Numerator में क्या आ गया? e raised to power x plus e raised to power minus x added with e raised to power x minus e raised to power minus x. You can see two terms are being cancelled और आपके पास वैल्यू आ गई 2 times e raised to power x divided by 2. 2 also cancels. सो आपके पास एक अच्छी सी इक्वेशन आ गई विच इज़ वेरी मच यूजफुल, दैट इज e raised to power x is equal to cos hyperbolic x plus sin hyperbolic x. This equation is very useful in your questions. Similarly, we will be subtracting them. Now similarly, I am going to subtract, and that will also give us one of the results. Subtracting cos hyperbolic x minus sin hyperbolic x. Always subtract LHS from LHS and RHS from RHS. So it is 2 common LCM, e raised to power x plus e raised to power minus x. आपको ये subtract करना है तो इसके symbols change होंगे. This becomes minus and this becomes minus, minus is plus. Obviously when you subtract the signs change. So again the two terms cancel and we are left with 2 times e raised to power minus x upon 2. 2 is also cancelled and this is e raised to power minus x. So the final answer is e raised to power minus x is equal to cos hyperbolic minus sin hyperbolic. So आपके पास एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन की ऐसी दो यूजफुल वैल्यूज बन गई विच यू कैन यूज इन मेनी क्वेश्चंस. अगर आपको कहीं पे e raised to power x की वैल्यू चाहिए तो यू कैन पुट इट एज cos hyperbolic x plus sin hyperbolic x, and if you require e raised to power minus x you can easily put down their difference. So this is the basic introduction and how to use the hyperbolic functions, which is quite useful in many of the chapters. I hope the concept is clear, and I would like to ask you if any queries are there. You can put it in the comment box. Thanks for watching.